Okay, so let's take care of location change. So we're gonna place this arrow around here, and if you click this arrow, then you can go to the next screen. So let's go to this UI class, and since this arrow works a bit differently from these objects, so I think I'm gonna handle this in a different method. Public void create arrow button, and first image icon, arrow icon, call new image class. Get resource, and okay, let's put name arrow file name, and okay, let's receive this string here. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna type variables first background number, and also x and y, and width and height, and also command. That's everything, I think. And okay, next we're gonna create a JButton. Name this Allo Button, call new JButton. Okay, Allo Button, set bounds, and here we're gonna use this x and y, width, height, and okay, set background no, I think, and so set content area field false. So set focus painted false, and then set icon picture arrow icon on this JButton, and finally let's place this arrow button on this BG panel. So BG panel BG none, and also action listener to add action listener gm.a handler, and action command, set action command, and use this one command. Okay, and then we need to pass these parameters arguments. So from here, scene 1, create arrow button, and the first is background number, so 1, and then x is this is gonna be 0, and 150, and the size is width and height is 50-50. And also what is it, file name? File name is left arrow 5050.png. png, and also action command. So action command is, let's type like a go scene 2 or something. Okay, so let's check this allo first. And yeah, of course, again, so we need to add this allo button before this label, otherwise, this background picture hides this allo, so it should be around here, but we cannot see it now. So I think, yeah, so okay, so we just move this line here. So okay, let's type 1 here because this is screen 1. Screen not, let's change this scene 1. So this way, after creating these objects and allo, then finally, it's gonna add this background label to the panel. So this label won't hide anything because the last thing you add to the panel comes to the bottom. So okay, let's check it. Yep. Okay, and we are seeing some like a frame here. So Allo Button border painted, I think, painted first, and yeah, okay, looks good. So now let's create the second scene first, then take care of this action listener. So second scene, so here generate screen or scene, I don't know, it's a bit confusing. So generate scene maybe. Sorry, let me change this scene, and okay, this one too. Okay, and here, so scene 2, let's copy this. First, let's create background. So number is 2, and for the second scene, we're gonna use maybe this one. No, not this one. This one. Wait, it's the same name? This is confusing. So I just found out these two files have the same name, but the extension is different. So let me change the name because it's confusing. So I think I'm gonna refactor this. Cave outside. So let's use this for the second scene. Cave outside 750, and okay, so this is not PNG, okay, JPG. It's okay though, as long as it's not an object. But for this object or character, it needs to be PNG, otherwise you cannot make the background transparent. Yeah, background and the object, let's leave it for now. So let's take care of the transitioning first. And okay, let's make this arrow. And okay, the 2. And this time we want to place this arrow around here, right side of the screen. 2 and 650. And height is 150, okay, 50, okay. And not left arrow, but right arrow. And go scene 1. And okay, finally. It is 2, 2. Alright, so now we can take care of the action listener of this Allo Button. But okay, before taking care of this action listener, let's make another class inside of this main package. And I'm gonna name this as a scene changer something. Public scene changer. This also get GM. Not game manga, game manager. Okay, and this dot gm equal gm. So this scene changer class will handle all the transitioning stuff. I created a class because if you create a lot of scenes, 10 locations, 20 locations, then I think it would be better to be handled in an independent class. Okay, and so let's create a method, public void show scene 1. First let's call bg panel 1 and set visible true, set visible, and then .bg panel 2 set visible false, and that's it, I think. And let's copy and scene 2, and the scene 2 is gonna be opposite, so false and true. And now okay, and also let's instantiate the class here, public scene changer is changer or something, call new scene changer this. Okay, so now we can handle this action listener. And so here change scenes case, what is it, I forgot. Go scene 1 and it's 2, so go scene 1. In this case gm dot schanger dot show screen 1, and let's copy. Oops. If go scene 2, then let's show scene 2. Okay, let's check this. Let's click this arrow. Oops, nothing shows up. Why? It's black. Maybe I mistyped the file name. Cave outside. Outside looks okay. Oh, here I forgot to change this to bgnum. Okay. Okay, I think yeah, I think this is okay now. Let's click it. Okay, all right. And if you click this, yeah, we can go back to the first scene. Okay, and I think I want to change this text. So since we have created this scene changer, so I think I'm gonna type some text here. So gm.ui. message text, set text. So, oops. What was it? Let's defeat the demon lord and save the world or something. And so yeah, if you want to display as a text when you switch to the second, then yeah, you can type something. This is scene 2. Okay, let's call this show screen 1 from here, game manager. Changer, show screen. So basically, when the game started, it's gonna call this show screen 1. So yeah, okay, so let's defeat the demon lord and save the world. Yeah, this is scene 2. Okay. And yeah, so let's work on this scene 2. And this is a bit different from this scene 1. So we want to interact this cave, and also so you can find a lantern around here. But unlike this scene 1, there is no additional objects. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place kind of a invisible object around here and also around here, so player can click on it. Probably there is a better way to do it, but what I came up with is we're gonna add one more image, and this is a blank image, so it's a transparent blank PNG. So we're gonna copy this to this res folder. So let's create object. So number 2 and x is 0 and y is 100 and width is 100 and height is 300. And for the file name, we're gonna use this blank 100. The size doesn't matter because you cannot see it anyway. So as long as it's totally transparent, then you can use any size. And these are okay for now, I think. Maybe not. Maybe let's input something. So look, talk, enter, and action command look, cave, talk, cave, and enter cave. Okay, let's see. Oops. But there are another pointer. Probably the file name is long. Blank. No space. Okay. And go to the second scene and right click around here. Okay, so you can check the cave. Nothing happens around here, but here. And if you want to see where exactly this clickable field is, then you can add some attributes to this object label. First set opaque and true, and then set background color. So any color is fine, like blue. Then yeah, like this. So you can see the clickable area basically. So you cannot, the pop-up menu doesn't show up around here, but here it shows up. So yeah, whenever you want to check it, then you can activate these two lines. And we're gonna add one more invisible object around here. So object, this time coordinate is 350 to 50, and the size is like 50-50, and blank, and the look tag search, this one, and the look root tag root search root. Okay, so let's activate this again. Yeah, around here, maybe a little bit to the right. 355. So now you can search here, and you can find a lantern. Okay, so what should we do next? Maybe, yeah, we're gonna do a player stuff, so player life and player items, I think. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do next.